Hi everyone, in this video I will show you guys how to download share prices from Yahoo Finance using Python. The package that we'll be using today is Yahoo Finance. Please see the link for more details for this package. All the information that you need to download a company's share price is its ticker symbol, start and ending date. So let's start downloading Apple's share price. I have previously imported Yahoo Finance as YF, and the way you download the share prices is to use yf.download and then enter the share prices ticker. In our case, the ticker for Apple is AAPL. And suppose we want the share price between 1st of January 2000 to 30th of November 2021. Once you enter those details, you could see this completed notification, and the data that we have downloaded is below. One thing to be noted is that the date is not 100% corresponding to what we want, as the date ended at 26th November 2021 and started at 31st December 1999. Noting that the 1st of January 2000 was a Saturday, and hence that's why the second available date is 3rd of January 2000. On the other hand, if you want the end date to be 30th of November 2021, we need to change the end date slightly to 2nd of December 2021. As you can see from the output here, the ending date is now 30th November 2021. We can use Google to do a quick check to ensure that the data is correct. For example, using Google, we can know that the closing price at 30th November 2021 was $165.30 USD dollars, which is the same as our close and adjust close price. We can also use this package to download multiple companies' share prices. For example, supposedly we want to download the price for both Apple and Microsoft. You could enter their ticker symbols like this, and you will get a data as shown here. You could just extract the adjust closing price for those two companies by simply selecting the column ADJ close from the data that we just downloaded. If you want to view all the data downloaded separately for different companies, you could add these arguments or option group by equals to ticker, and then selecting, for example, the column MSFT. And here you can see all the information available for Microsoft. Okay, this is all I want to show you guys in this video. I will show you guys how to use the information that we just downloaded to see whether we can predict the share price. If you guys like my content, please do not forget to subscribe or give me a like. See you next time.